This is a Country Boy Mars production.
We're gonna get these. Installing in on the test. We got this one. Yeah. You wanna give me the next one? Touch with this. Grab me with this paper. You dropped it. Alright, it's okay. Alright, put it on paper towel. So we're getting ready to install the LTT and lights and the tag lights. I'm gonna show y'all how to easily access this. Hold it for me, son. Alright. It's a little clip right there that you press in to pull this out. So you press that in. Once you press that in, it'll come out like that. And you do the same for this side. Those little clip thing, you can use that. Like I said, I don't have that, so we're gonna do it like that. And next thing you know, we gotta disconnect that, just like voila. You know, your tag light. That's the easiest way to possibly get it. You got a tag like that, then next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pop this open. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna do that. All right, so next thing what you want to do, got my son holding the camera for me. It's gonna be my little cameraman, but what you gonna do?
That's not the man.
What you gonna do? I found the best way, best trick or something. Get you like a little box cutter or something. Put it at the tip at the bottom. Put it at the tip at the bottom right here. And
This is a Country Boy Mars production.
ease it up. And you can pull it out just like that. Next step, You want to get the last fit bulb, and you want to install it in. I think this should be the right polarity. Like if this doesn't work, then you can switch it around it. And like also, the last fit bulbs are so much easier to pull out than stock bulbs. So you got that there. And place that in. Alright, got that on. Now. As you can see, you see the difference in the light in this daytime. Alright, got the light out here. Don't want to plug it back in. Make sure your polarity is right before you seal it back up completely.
Easy way to test it. I had to open the door to the car. Unlock the doors. Come to the back. Seatbelts on. Last thing to do, put the seal back on. Close this up properly. And then install your seal, and then put it back in place. Wait 1 second.
Alright, we got them both back in now. So let's do a test real quick. And the last finishing touches. See, we got the last fit light. This is new. I'm loving these lights, man. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. See how bright they are shining out to the ground. How bright they are, man. Floor mats in. Interior is looking A1 along with that. Love it, man. Looks real good. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. But that's it. That's the last fit lights.
This is a Country Boy Mars production.